French fries with cheese sauce, bacon, and chicken. I'll start by adding 150 grams of bacon and stir a little until fried. When I get to that point, I'm gonna take it out of the pot. This recipe is amazing. I'm sure the result will surprise you. In the same pan, I will add 200 grams of chicken breast, a tablespoon of brown sugar, a teaspoon of salt, and I will stir well until the chicken is fried. Now I will put the bacon back in the pan, add 2 cloves of garlic, a teaspoon of chili flakes, and I will stir everything again until all the ingredients are added. Done this, I will add 400 grams of heavy cream in the pan, and once again, I will stir everything very well. Then I will add 150 grams of mozzarella, 7 slices of cheddar, and then I will stir again until the cheeses melt and all the ingredients are well added. It's a simply amazing and delicious recipe. Make in your home and then come back here to tell me what you think. In another pan, I will add oil, enough to fry the recipe. When the oil is hot, I will add 3 potatoes cut into strips to fry. It is at this point I will remove from the pan and put on a plate with paper towel to cool and also to remove excess oil. My friends always ask me to teach how to do, so amazing that the result is. Now I will transfer the potatoes to a container so that it can serve. Now I'm going to pour the mixture that I just made over this way, spreading it so it's well distributed. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Bailey Velarda from Singapore. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Done, this is ready, our recipe. Look how beautiful it was. Now is to serve and enjoy this delight. It has become one of my favorite recipes since the first time I tried it.